Top 10 Best Anti-Theft Backpack with USB Charging Port in 2020. Top 1. Travel Laptop Backpack, Business Anti-Theft Slim Durable Laptops Backpack with USB Charging Port, Water-Resistant College School Computer Bag. Gifts for men and women. Fits 15.6-inch notebook, gray. Lots of storage space and pockets. One separate laptop compartment hold 15.6-inch laptop as well as 15-inch, 14-inch and 13-inch MacBook laptop. One spacious packing compartment roomy for daily necessities, tech electronics accessories. Front compartment with many pockets, pen pockets and key fob hook, make your items organized and easier to find. Comfy and sturdy, comfortable airflow back design with thick but soft multi-panel ventilated padding, gives you maximum back support. Top 2. Laptop Backpack, Business Water-Resistant Laptops Backpack. Gift for men women with lock-in USB charging port, Mancro Anti-Theft College School Book Bag, Travel Computer Bag for 15.6-inch laptops, gray. Perfect size and storage space. Waterproof Business Laptops Backpack. Organize your items with 12+ pockets. Laptop pocket fits 15.6-inch, 15-inch or 14-inch MacBook laptop. Convenient main pockets for iPad, charger, binders, books, clothes, etc. Inside pockets keep your wallet, phone. Top 3. KROSER Laptop Backpack 15.6-inch Stylish School Computer Backpack. Dr. Bag. Water Repellent College Casual Daypack with USB port. Travel Business Work Bag for men women. Black quality material, PU leather nylon, water repellent. Dimensions: 16.9 inches x 11.15 x 7.5. Weight: 1.82 pounds. USB port design: built-in USB port is convenient to charge your cell phone by the connected power bank. Power bank is not included. Multi-compartment, roomy space for your laptop and tablet. Top 4. Travel Laptop Backpack. Water-resistant anti-theft bag with USB charging port and lock. 14/15.6-inch computer business backpacks for women men. College school student gift. Book bag. Casual hiking Daypack. Lots of storage space and pockets. One separate laptop compartment hold 15.6-inch laptop as well as 15-inch, 14-inch and 13-inch MacBook laptop. One spacious packing compartment roomy for daily necessities, tech electronics accessories. Front compartment with many pockets, pen pockets and key fob hook, make your items organized and easier to find. Top 5. Scored Laptop Backpack, Anti-Theft Travel Backpack, Business School Book Bag with USB charging port for men and women. Fit 15.6 inches laptop, gray. Anti-Theft Backpack, made of strong anti-scratch/cut fabric. This college backpack keeps your belongings pretty safe with hidden zippers of the main pocket and a secret pocket at the back. Convenient charging, via the built-in charging cable on the inside of the laptop backpack and the USB charging port on the outside. You can just plug in and charge your device anywhere. Reminder: power bank NOT included. Top 6. Daypack Laptop Backpack Man Women USB Port Slim Business Computer Backpack Anti-Theft Water Resistant Travel Laptop Bag Lightweight 15.6 inch Dark Gray. Anti-Theft Hidden Laptop Zone. Want to keep private WinPick laptop in public? Separated laptop compartment behind straps designed for you. Get laptop easily and keep rest in private. Zipper can be locked to D-shaped ring with your lock to keep laptop privacy. Lock not included. Super Organizer Bag. If you want a bag always matches your business casual look, get a decent slim bag. Commuter Daypack with 17 slots offers you a fantastic experience. Top 7. Saula Business Laptop Backpack Water Resistant Anti-Theft College Backpack with USB Charging Port and Lock 15.6 inch Computer Backpacks for Women Girls, Casual Hiking Travel Daypack, Flower. Lots of storage space and pockets. One separate laptop compartment hold 15.6 inch laptop as well as 15 inch, 14 inch and 13 inch MacBook laptop. One spacious packing compartment roomy for daily necessities, tech electronics accessories. Front compartment with many pockets, pen pockets and key fob hook, make your items organized and easier to find. Top 8. Travel Laptop Backpack, AMBOR 15.6 to 17.3 inch Anti-Theft Business Backpack with USB Charging Port and Headphone Interface. Large Computer Backpack School Daypack Backpack for Women and Men Gray. Large Capacity. External Dimensions, 19.5 x 12.5 x 5.3 inch. One separate laptop compartment holds 17.3 inch laptop as well as 15.6 inch, 15 inch. 14-inch and 13-inch notebook MacBook. One spacious packing compartment roomy for your phone, books, clothes, folders, power bank, pen, wallet and other items. Top 9. Daypack Waterproof Anti-Theft Laptop Backpack USB Charging Port Business Scan Smart with Rain Cover 15.6 inch Grade Black KP626. Anti-Theft. No zippers. Pockets good will be found at the front of backpack. The zipper is fully hidden which protects your wallet, laptop, smartphone, others inside backpack away from thief. Exterior dimensions, LWH, 11.8 x 5.5 x 17.7 inch. Laptop compartment dimension, 10.6 x 15 inch. Can be easily placed under the airline seat with space for your feet. Note: 15.6 inch fit for regular size man better. Top 10. Daypack Slim Women Laptop Backpack 15.6 in with USB Charging Port Anti-Theft Laptop Bag College Purple. Slim design and super organizer. Slim laptop backpack fits up to 15.6 inches thin laptop. Exterior dimensions, LWH, 11.8 inches x 4.3 inches x 17.7 inches. Laptop compartment dimension, 14.6 inches x 9.6 inches x 1.4. Note: measure your PC to judge if fit, not fit for thick gaming laptop. Anti-theft hidden laptop zone. Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.